Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. Okay, first we have to work inside the parentheses. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and there is multiplication here. 10 multiplied by 2, it equals 20, and 20 divided by 20 equals 1. But this is not correct answer, because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses, and then if there is any exponent we have to work its exponents, and then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 20 divided by 10 multiplied by 2. And according to this rule, first we have to work this. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. 2 divided by 2, it equals 4. This is our correct and final answer. We can copy this answer here. Final answer is 4. That's all. Thank you.